Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Feather Factory Hotel. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Feather Factory Hotel offers accommodations in Long Island City. All rooms are fitted with a TV with cable channels. All rooms include a private bathroom fitted with a bath or shower. There is a 24-hour front desk at the property. The staff at the property can also direct you to street parking and yard parking available. Complimentary long-distance calling is provided. New York is 2.7 miles from Feather Factory Hotel, while Brooklyn is 3.7 miles from the property. The subway station, to get into New York City, is a 10 minutes walk from the property. The nearest airport is LaGuardia Airport, 4.3 miles from Feather Factory Hotel. Use our link in description to get good discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.